Kids Grab and Go. This is a program where you have the opportunity to come in and pick up a bag of supplies to make a fun craft. For the month of November, we are going to be making wood sliced turkey. If you haven't already picked up your bag of supplies, you can do so by going into the kids area of Bettendorf Public Library during open hours. We will be handing out 250 bags, so get yours while supplies last. Here's my bag of supplies. Let's see what's inside. One thing that comes in every bag are the written instructions, so you can follow along with these or this video to complete the project. Next we have a wood slice, and it has a pre-drilled hole in it because we're going to tie some string through it. And the string should look something like this. Also, you should have 5 feathers of various colors, and we're going to use those on the turkey as well. Last of all, inside the baggie, we have a little felt beak, 2 googly eyes, and what are called glue dots. The glue dots are basically what we're going to use to glue everything down. So the first thing we can do is we're going to thread the string through the pre-drilled hole, and we're going to tie the ends into a knot, like so. On one side of the turkey, it doesn't matter which side, you can use the glue dots by peeling them off of the plastic and sticking them onto the wood slice, and then putting the feather on top. You can arrange them in whatever order you would like. Just make sure that the feather sticks out above the wood slice. Even if your feathers are small, you can just put them up higher on the wood slice. This is so they will be visible when you flip the wood slice over. On the other side of the wood slice, use your glue dots in a similar fashion to stick on 2 googly eyes and a beak to create your turkey's face. Once you've finished those steps, you have completed your wood sliced turkey. We hope you enjoyed this project. Next month, for the month of December, we are going to be making beaded pipe cleaner snowflakes. Until then, bye!